Hello, I'm Vasantan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is Software Engineering Space LK, as you know already. So I think you can remember the session 1 of this video series. This is Learn HTML, CSS and JavaScript session. So under the previous session 1, I think you can remember we have discussed about the tools that we are going to use for web application development and website development, like Visual Studio Code and some web browsers and some other tools. Also, we discussed about some basic HTML tags and a little bit of server-side scripting and server-side includes, and some basic CSS and structure for HTML file. So this is the session 2 under the same series. So in this series I am going to introduce you these 4 areas. So I will introduce you 2 new browsers called Brave and Opera, and we will just revise the session 1, and I will introduce you some server-side scripting, the basic things with the file format HTML. But in this series we are not going to discuss about any classic ASP or C# or any server-side programming. And finally we will in detail discuss about formatting text with HTML and CSS. So this is about the session 2. So before start the session 2, I will just give you some information. So if you are happy to join with our channel, you can just subscribe this channel, and you can join with all the upcoming video sessions. Okay, so we'll into the first part of the session 2. This is introducing Brave and Opera. I think already you know about the 4 web browsers that we have discussed last session. I will introduce you then again. This is Microsoft Edge, and we have talked about Google Chrome and Apple Safari, and finally this is Mozilla Firefox. And in this session I will introduce 2 more browsers that we have to mainly consider about web site and web application development, especially for browser compatibility. So the first one is Opera. So this is another major browser. So in any case, when you are developing HTML pages, websites or applications, you have to check the compatibility with this Opera browser as well. And the 6th one is Brave. So this is the next web browser I am going to introduce today. So with those 2 browsers, I think you already know 6 web browsers: Edge, Chrome, Safari, Opera, Brave, and Firefox. Okay. So this section 2 of the session 2, I'm just going to revise you the things we have discussed in the session 1. Let me open the same folder that we used in the session 1. Okay, I think you can remember this file. We have done quite a lot of HTML, CSS and Java, just the structure of the HTML file. Then I think you can remember these tags. These are the basic tags we have discussed last time. So from there on, we will move to the other areas of the session 2. So as the first thing, I will show you how to use server-side scripting with shtml. So as I mentioned before, I am not going to discuss about classic ASP coding or anything like that, but just using HTML comments tag that we have already introduced in the session 1. I'm going to show you how to display server-side information using shtml. Okay, so we will create a new file under the same folder. Create a new file. Let's name it test.html. Okay, so I'll put the same set of tags under this file as well, HTML tag. Then head tag. Under the head tag we can put title tag. And below the head tag we have to put the body tag. Okay, likewise. So in the title tag I will put a simple text like my first HTML page. Okay. And under the body tag we will put some server-side includes. You can already remember this part. Okay, so this is the local date. So you can label it as local date, and same way we can put some more server-side information like global date, and document name, likewise. And then we have to use the correct variable here. For the local date we can use the variable local date, and for the global date we have to use date GMT. I think you know what is GMT, that is Greenwich Middle Time. You can label the same way, GMT or GM time or something, GMT. Then document name, document underscore name. Okay, so let me save the file. Then let's browse this page the same way that we have done in the last session. Okay, I got the IIS, and IIS you can remember we have already created a virtual folder called Learn HTML, and since I have included a new file we have to refresh it, and let's browse it. Okay, now in this new version you can see only the date but this echo or some server-side includes are not shown there because this is a HTML file. Our index file is a HTML file. Now what I'm going to do is, we have an additional text shtml file, that is server-side or server-side includes HTML. I'm going to browse the same file here. Browse like this HTML. Okay, can you see? Let me put some break tags. Okay, some break tags, and let's refresh. Right, now you can see this in the first tag, but we are, we put a break tag here also. Let's put 2 break tags. Right, now this is local date. Since this is a HTML file, now you can see the server-side information in the client-side browser. Now this is the client side. We have to differentiate this. This is the client side, and the file that really existed. Actually, the file existed in the server side. Okay. Now in this my personal machine, both are same, but just think like a network environment, or we have a server and a client machine. So this file existed in the server side, and this is client side. Right. Now this is local date. This is Greenwich Middle Time, and in this case both dates and times are same because I'm in the same machine. If you are having the HTML file in the server side in somewhere else, in some other country, and the server side, client side is Sri Lanka or somewhere else, you will see 2 different dates and times here. And the document name, the server side include document name, show you the full path and name of the current HTML file. Okay, likewise. So these are called server-side includes. There are a lot of server-side includes variables. You can see here and there. You can just explore them. Okay. Then let's move back to the HTML file. Okay, these are the things we have discussed last time, and we'll continue from there. This session 2. Okay. Under the session 2, we are going to in detail discuss about formatting text with HTML and CSS. So in this section we don't discuss anything about JavaScript, only HTML and CSS. Right. We already know these tags, header tags, and bold, italic, underline, center, the stripe, marquee, paragraph, and those kind of simple HTML tags. Then we will discuss a new tag just after the paragraph tag. I will introduce a new tag here. Okay. Right. We have a tag named span. span in the sense just a piece of text that we have to separately, if we want to separately format a small piece of text in between a paragraph or in between another set of information, we have to use the span tag. Okay. Right. Let's say I'm going to use this span tag in between this paragraph. We have the paragraph here, and for the paragraph I will put some style. Now already you know the style attribute that we can use for styling information, just using CSS, cascading style sheets. I will apply a font style like italic. This is the default font style that we are going to use for this paragraph. Okay, and under the span section, span tag, I'm going to apply separate style. For that, I will use font weight, some value for the font weight, and bold tag also. Bold attribute. The font style. Some normal or something. Yeah. Save it and try to refresh the page and see what happens. Now this is the paragraph that we are going to apply these changes. Now currently this is normal font, no any style, just a font color. Now when we refresh, you can see italic font is applied. And we are going to put some special text in between the span tags. Some special text. Okay, save again. Okay, can you see? This is called the span. So we have a big paragraph or some big area of information, but in between we have to apply a unique some kind of different formatting for a small piece of information. So we normally use a span tag for that. And the other thing, without using the span tag in between a paragraph tag, we can just use the span tag within the body tag as well. Body, like this. Okay. Apply a break right here. Okay. this is about this span tag. If you want, you can try the same thing in other browsers. Okay, can you see? This is Edge, and now let's use Chrome. Okay, Safari, and this is the new web browser that we are introducing today. And it looks like Opera is not compatible. It's compatible. Okay, it's compatible. And let's try the Brave. This is the second new browser I am introducing today. Okay, so all the 6 browsers, this span tag and paragraph tag is compatible. Okay, then let's see some new set of text formatting tags. We have a tag called TT, but this is a duplicated tag. Okay, TT in the sense teletype. Let's see what is teletype text. Okay, teletype text. Saved it and let's refresh the browser. Okay, can you see the difference? This is my normal default font, and this is the text under the teletype tag. There is a small difference in the font. Put a break tag there. Okay, this is picture. And then we will see another 2 tags. First one is big. That is also a deprecated tag. Big text. And the second one is small. Okay, small tag. Right, can you see the difference? The font size is quite a bigger compared to the default here, and quite smaller compared to the default. So without using the font size, you can just use the big and small tags. Then we have 2 more special tags. We'll write some text like this. Today is 22nd of Jan 2021. I'll put another break tag here, and I'm going to type one more text part like this: H2SO4 is an acid, something like this. Okay, let's see how it displayed in the browser. You can see today is 2nd of Jan in 2021, and H2SO4 is an acid. But this is not the correct way. We have to show this information. This ND should be a superscript, and here 2 and 4 should be displayed as subscript. So we are going to introduce 2 more tags for that. Okay, then we'll put the superscript tag here, like this, and subscript tag here. Okay, let's see how it is displayed in the browser. Now it is quite okay. Can you see? Second, N and D should be the superscript. Here in H2SO4, 2 and 4 should be subscript. So using SUP, the superscript, and SUB, the subscript text, you can superscript or subscript piece of text in the same paragraph or in separate text line or any piece of text in between any text. Okay, then one more new tag. We call it strong. Strong. It's not a together tag. I think we haven't discussed this in the previous session. Yeah, we didn't discuss. Okay, strong. This is quite similar with the big tag and bold tag, but we have a separate thing called strong. We will put some text in between. Strong text. Alright. Okay, can you see? A strong text. Quite similar like this and this. So all this piece of information you can display between any other opening and closing text like paragraph, the span, or body, anything. Right. Then I think you already know that font styles can be applied using CSS style attribute with the P tag and span tag, and even with the body tag also, and even using the style section of the header, HTML header. But in addition to that, we have a tag called font, but the thing is it is deprecated, so don't use as a since we have latest way of doing it like this, using style tag like here. But just to your knowledge, I am introducing the font tag, which is the deprecated font tag. In this between font tag, we can type anything, some text, formatting using font tag. Font tag. Here we have some attributes. Okay, we have attributes called size. The size we can apply size like this, and color. The color section we can apply a color, any color name or color code, like 1188 or something, RGB code. And you can use the font base as well. Font base. Some simple font base like Arial. Let's see how this font tag behave in different browsers. Alright, now in the Firefox, Mozilla Firefox, font tag is working correctly. Can you see some text formatting using font tag? All the attributes I have applied also working there. 24 size, some color I have applied, and font base. Let's see the same thing in other browsers. Okay, in Microsoft Edge also it is working perfect. Let's see, Google Chrome is working, and Apple Safari, they also it's work. Opera also it's working, and Brave. Okay, almost all the different web browsers, all these tags they have introduced today working perfect. Okay. Right, and then let's discuss about a few more attributes on the same font tag. Okay, now in the previous line, this line, I have applied the font size using the size attribute. Okay, but we can do the same thing following another way. Some text with, I call it size in points. Size in points. We can apply the size in point here. So we call it point size. Point size. Let's say 30 or something. This is also deprecated because the tag itself is a deprecated thing, and since the tag is deprecated, this attribute also deprecated attribute. Because we can do the same thing using the style. let's try browsing it, and the problem is that is not compatible anymore. Okay, that is not compatible anymore. Let's try changing the size. Let's see any. No any difference. That means this attribute point size is not working anymore in Firefox. Let's see the same thing in Edge. It's also same, it's not working. The Chrome also the same. Safari, Opera, and Brave. All the 6 browsers is sizing point, and the font tag is completely outdated. It's not working anymore. Then we use a separate thing, like a very special thing. Let's do something like here. The same piece of text, I have typed some text formatting using font tag. Now I want to apply quotation between this piece of text. Okay, so how do we do that? We have a tag called Q. Okay, let's put the text part in between Q tag, and let's see now. Now currently font is without quotation. Now we have the quotation here. Same for the other browsers. Okay. See, same for Opera and same for Brave. That is quotation tag. It applies double quote at the beginning and the end of the piece of text. Okay, after that we have another tag, a very simple tag called VDO. What is video stands for VDO. It's not a deprecated tag. I just use simple letters VDO. Okay. VDO. This is called something like overriding in bidirectional. VD in the sense bidirectional. We are going to override a piece of text according to a specified direction in between another set of text, or in between a paragraph or span, or in between body tag also. We can specify a piece of text in a specified direction. Okay. This is right to left. Right to left right to left text. Normally we are typing left to right like this, but I want to show this piece of text from right to left. So here we have a attribute called direction, dir, direction. In the direction we can specify right to left. Okay, let's see what are the other available values. We have right to left to right, and auto. I want to apply right to left. Let's see how we have. Okay, can you see that? This is the normal piece of text, and this is again normal piece of text. And from here to here, it is right to left. Okay. Same way in the Edge, Chrome, Safari, Opera, and Brave. Yes. So that is about BDO, bidirectional overriding some piece of text in between other text. Okay. I think with that we can stop this session 2, and this session 2 I think I will just revise what we have discussed. We started from the span tag. Span is for to specify some styles or some different attributes for a piece of text in between another tags like paragraph tag or body tag. Okay, and here if though I didn't discuss about this tag, this is just a break line. We are in the sense break line. This is also kind of deprecated, but it's not displayed in the red color in this Visual Studio Code. But we normally don't use this break tag. Once we go to advanced text formatting using CSS and other technologies like Bootstrap and some other libraries, I will introduce the correct way that we have to break a line without using the HTML break tag. For now, since we are still in the first or second sessions in this series, I'm just using the break tag to break a line between two pieces of information. Okay, so with the break tag, then I have already introduced you the type tag. It's a deprecated one, and another deprecated tag B to apply some quite a bigger text, and a small tag is not deprecated, and the superscripts and subscripts, then the strong tag, then the deprecated font tag with some attributes like size, color, space, and sizing points, and finally the bidirectional text. Okay, so these are the basic text formatting HTML tags that we are going to discuss in the session 2 of Learn HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So I think in the next set of sessions we are going to introduce a lot of more HTML tags that we have to use for arranging text, like arranging and presenting text in tabular formats and different types of text formatting and arranging for advanced web designing. And we will discuss more about CSS, and let's try to discuss some JavaScript as well in session 3 or session 4. So just stay with us in the YouTube channel Software Engineering LK, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. This is Software Engineering LK. You can just search in YouTube and click the subscribe button, and if you are happy to get alerts on new video sessions, just click the bell icon as well. Okay, and have a nice day. Bye.